Hi, this is Piyu and I am from Hyderabad. I'm mother to a 4-year-old kid and an influencer. I randomly came across an advertisement once that there is a phonics workshops for mom, and I've been looking forward to something like this since a really long time. So I just thought to give it a try. Like I was really hopeless with it. Like when I saw an advertisement for 99 rupees, like I wasn't expecting much out of it, but to my surprise, you guys, Nidhi and Shekhar, are tremendous. You people are amazing. The way you have simplified the things for us as moms to teach our kids is something. I don't know how to say this, but in this duration of like 7 days, I must say my kid has started reading two-letter words, merging up the letters and reading it a family words. That is like a surprise for me as well. Like in 5 days, a kid can start from phonics sounds and can end up at two-letter words reading independently in just like 7 days is a surprise for me. So I'm really happy with it. And thank you. That's all I can say. Thank you so much. Looking forward to more workshops with you people. You guys are amazing. And I don't know what to say. You people are so positive. Shekhar, you have been spreading positivity all around. And Nidhi, you have been like empowering moms like me. Thank you so